Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is KP, and today I'm sharing a mirror that I blinged out for my daughter. I'm sitting at home with a sinus infection. You can probably hear it in my voice, and I just wanted something to do. So I went through my closet, pulled out all my craft supplies, and I told my daughter, "Bring me a mirror. Let me do something." Back in 2019 is when I really started getting deep into crafting, and I was blinging everything out. Everything in my house was blinged out. I spent so much time watching YouTube and learning a lot of stuff about Dollar Tree DIYs and bling and all that stuff. And I want to say that there was a lady, her channel is Petalisbless, and when I say I admire her so much, when I say I watched hours and hours and hours of her videos, I would sit at my desk and sometimes I would fall asleep at my desk just watching because it was so relaxing the way she used to just put all the gems on there. I really enjoyed watching her channel. It saddens my heart that not long ago I saw a video that she is no longer with us. And so today, this mirror that I'm doing, I want to dedicate this craft video to her because she is part of the reason why I even got into the bling. I spent so much time watching her stuff, and she was just such a sweet lady. You can tell, I admire her and never even met her just from her videos and her personality. So this video is dedicated to Petalisbless. I want to thank her for all the crafts she did and everything that she taught me along the way. So if you're interested in this mirror DIY, just keep on watching. This is a mirror that I bought from Walmart. I think about maybe $10 or less. I went in my craft closet and I had just random stuff. I had a roll of bling wrap, but it wasn't enough to cover the whole mirror, so I had to use adhesive too. The funny thing is, most of these supplies I bought in 2019, back when I used to sit there and watch all these videos. I went to Dollar Tree after Dollar Tree hunting supplies, and a lot of it is from then. Now I'm just cutting up strips of that adhesive bling wrap to put on the sides. As I sit here watching this playback, I'm thinking about all the mirrored DIY bling videos that she did. I used to jump up and run to the Dollar Tree. I gotta get this, I gotta get that. Like all the supplies, I would run to the Dollar Tree. These gemstones I bought from Hobby Lobby, and I only bought these because of Petalisbless. I saw her put these flowered gemstones on so many projects, and I could never find them. And one day I went in Hobby Lobby and I saw them, and I said I had to have them. I bought them and never used them, so I figured this is the perfect time to use them. They end up being exactly the right length for that mirror. Even though they are adhesive, they was not gonna stay, so that's why you see me using hot glue so they'll stay on there. In one of her videos, she made a mirrored sign, and it had the little sticker mirrored word that you'll see in my next clip. And she used the word dream. I actually made the exact sign that she did, but she put flowers on hers, I think, and I didn't. And I had that hanging up in my old house. And so when I went out and bought that dream sign, I also found more. And so you about to see it come up. This sign right here, it was one that said dream that she used, and I copied that exact mirror. But this one right here, I decided, let me use this too. She also used to use a lot of these gemstones, and I found these at Hobby Lobby, I believe, and I've been having them for a while too. I've used a lot of them in different projects, but let me add a few on this mirror. I like the way it turned out, and my daughter did too. She really liked it. Once again, I want to thank you for being here watching this video on my channel. I appreciate everyone who takes the time to watch my video. The finished product is coming up. I really hope you enjoy this, and hopefully it will inspire you to make you a blinged out mirror. Also, go search her channel on YouTube. There is so much inspiration. If you like bling and this type of DIY stuff, she has it all on that channel. So go show a little love and support to Miss Annette, aka Petalisbless DIY. Thanks for watching.